everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into AOL mail account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. In the search bar, type in AOL mail login. Here, click on the first link that says AOL mail. After you come across this official page, click on the login option in the top right corner. Here, you'll have to enter your username or email address or mobile number associated with the account. If you do not remember your username, then click on Forgot Username link. Also, if you do not have an account yet, then you can click on Create an Account link. Then tap on Next button. Here, check the box that says I'm not a robot. Then tap on Continue button. Here, you'll have to enter the verification code that is sent to your email. Now, click on the Verify button in order to log in. And that is how you can log into AOL mail account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.